Hi everyone, I'm Matteo and I welcome you in my RC garage to the last video of my Axial SCX10 3 build series. The chassis is done and the last step is to build the body. Step J1 is the paint job of the body. It's nice. The body is out of the box prepared to paint it. Everything is already cut and all holes are drilled. This is very good, it saves a lot of time. Before we can paint the body, we have to clean it. I wash it with mild soap and warm water. As next, the windows have to be masked. For this, a sticker sheet for all windows is included, and here you can see I have all maskings already attached. But as you can see here, I have added more maskings. I like to have the roof in black, and so I masked this part of the body with masking tape. And also on the main body I like to have some highlights. So I add here these stripes to get a contrast with an additional color. For the main color I'm going to use this metallic blue. It's a spray paint from Revel. Usually I use Tamiya spray paints, but these are no longer available here in my country because of toxic ingredients. So I made here a test painting on this polycarbonate stripe, and so I know what to expect. As you can see here, the first layer is applied, but it's not enough opaque and some more layers have to be added. Polycarbonate bodies have to be usually painted from the inside. Now about 5 or 6 layers are done and I can paint the highlights. I have already removed these maskings and I'm going to paint it now with silver. So this is also done, and as next I can paint the roof with black. For this I have to remove the masking here. Here you can see the masking is removed and the body is now ready to paint it black. This is also done, but I like to have the roof in a matte finish. It's now matte, but this is because of the protection film. After removing this film the roof will be high gloss. So I'm using this film as masking to be able to spray the roof from the outside with matte varnish. I cut carefully along the lines, also on the rear windows. Then I can remove the protection film partially, only on the roof. And now the body is ready to be sprayed with this flat clear from Tamiya. This have to be done from the outside. And here you can see the result. Now I can remove the rest of the protection film. This is always a great moment when building a truck. And here you can see the result. It's okay, but I'm not absolutely happy. This blue was still not enough opaque, and I have to say the colors are not the same quality as Tamiya paints. But it's okay, after all details are on the body, I think it looks good. Next I can add the window frames. The stickers including tinted windows. But I don't like this, especially when a nice interior is installed. So I'm going to cut out the inner part of these stickers. Here you can see how it is now. And I can add these frames. And here you can see all window frames are sticked on. Step J2 is the build of the interior and driver figure. As first I have to paint this polycarbonate piece. I will do this in black, but also this one I like to have a matte finish. So I'm going to paint this from the outside and not from the inside. So I have to remove the protection film first to be able to paint it on this side. Here you can see the black is painted. I used a matte black spray paint, also from Rebel. Now I can start with the driver figure. First I have to decide which hat I will use. There is this cowboy hat, it looks very good. But I already have 2 or more cars with drivers like this. The second option is this cap. And this is something new, so I decided to go with this cap. Before I can paint the head, I glue it together with plastic glue. And here you can see the driver figure, and the interior is painted and some stickers are added. Now I have to build a roll cage. And screw it together with 8 screws. And then I can install it on the interior and screw it on from the underside. Here you can see the complete interior is finished. Step J3 is the installation of some hard plastic body details. On the side mirrors, reflective stickers are included. These hard plastic hoods on the cowling, side mirrors, hard plastic door handles and the rear lights are installed now. Step J4 is the installation of the fenders and the radiator with light buckets. The fenders are screwed on with 5 small screws, and these fit well to the holes on the body. The front light buckets and the radiator is one piece, also the front body posts are on this piece, and is fixed from the side with 2 screws. And here you can see the fenders and light buckets are also installed. Step J5 is the installation of the interior in the body. In front, the interior holds up together with the windshield wipers. And at the rear, together with the rear body posts. Now the interior is installed and the body is nearly finished. Step J6 is the installation of the front and rear bumper on the chassis. The position can be adjusted and fixed with 2 screws. Step J7 is the installation of the rock sliders. This is a 2-piece part and have to be screwed together. Then it can be installed and screwed on the position mentioned in the manual. And now, finally, J8 is the last build step, and this is attaching the body on the chassis. We have to find the correct position and check also that the side of the body fits well on the rock sliders. Then we can turn the truck and insert the pins to fix the body. 2 in front and 2 at the rear. So, and here it is, my finished Axial SCX10 Jeep Wrangler JL. As you can see, I added some body lines by using self-adhesive black film. It's a very nice truck. And what I really like is the interior and driver figure. This is a big plus on this kit. And there are so many details on the body. Really a good job from Axial. Now, of course, we are curious how it runs and performs on the trails. Soon I'll go out and test this, and a running video with my thoughts will follow soon. So stay tuned to see this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please give me a thumbs up for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon at Mattheo's RC Movies.